Hey lads, TechScanning here. The Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are now few hours away from us. But a new video just came by the same retailer who already leaked the hand-on video of the Pixel 7 Pro around a month ago. However, this time he is back running Pixel 7 Pro through the popular benchmarking apps, giving us a look at Google's newest Tensor G2 chipset capabilities. At first, he runs the popular Geekbench platform that depicts the CPU performance. The result shows that the Pixel 7 Pro got 1054 single-core while 3138 multi-core scores, which is an improvement compared to its predecessor Pixel 6 Pro. Moreover, the scores are clearly better than the Exynos-based S22 Ultra, but almost similar to the Snapdragon-based S22 Ultra. Next, we ran the Antutu benchmark that counts both CPU and GPU, and the Pixel 7 Pro got over 800,000 scores, which again a good improvement over the last year's Pixel 6 Pro. The S22 Ultra here has a clear edge over the Pixel 7 Pro Antutu score. So compared to the competition like the Qualcomm and the Apple's Bionic chip, these scores are lower. However, here is the most important thing. However, these tests are mainly for measuring the peak performance and can't depict the daily usage. Moreover, it's the flagship phone by a tech giant. This means you won't be able to notice the difference in real life between the Pixel 7 Pro and its direct rivals like S22 Ultra and the iPhone 14 series. Moreover, we also need to keep in mind the optimizations as it plays an important role. We can't just guess the performance based on these tests, so we have to wait for how this flagship will perform. Moving next, we got the pictures of the face lock setting up process, which confirmed that the upcoming Pixel phones will get the face unlock feature. Further, we already knew that what features the Google Pixel 7 Pro will come with thanks to an official leaked video. Now for the prices. The Google's upcoming handsets are going to be an enticing deal for flagship phone seekers. Google is most likely to offer similar prices as the last year's models. This means the Pixel 7 will get $599 while the 7 Pro $899 price tag. A reliable leaker also tipped the UK prices that the Pixel 7 will come with $599 while the 7 Pro with £849, which is again the same as the last year's Pixel 6 handsets. And if you are planning to pre-order an upcoming Pixel handset, expectedly Google will offer the most exciting freebies. Like in some countries, the Pixel 7 Pro will offer the Pixel Watch while the non-Pro Pixel 7 will get the Pixel Buds in freebies. Further, the Target is also expected to offer up to $200 gift card. And that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.